Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. These little electrician scissors from Klein tools are the perfect little thing to keep on hand when you are doing a variety of jobs. So these scissors are small, but they are extremely strong and very, very mighty. They are ultra sharp. And they're designed with a file on both of the sides where you can see the ridges, and they also have these indentations for stripping wire. So these are just like the perfect little thing to have on hand. These are really great for telecom work and wiring that is a little bit thinner gauge. And we also like to use these for automotive wiring. These are a really, really helpful tool because they are so strong and durable. They are made from a really strong tempered steel. They are nickel plated, and that helps to resist corrosion. So these are going to last you a lifetime. So if you are needing a really handy, extra strong pair of scissors that also double as wire snips and crimpers and stripper, then these are definitely the scissors for you. I would highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.